morning, televiewers. Good morning again, brethren. Good morning, colleague, friends, family. Okay, you're welcome in this channel, Raising Energy, Raising Vibration. I'm M. Amza. I'll be leading you throughout this channel. Please, family, warning, warning, warning. Don't use the secret to penetrate the universe without watching this video. If you want to use the secret to penetrate the universe, please make sure you watch this video till the later end. Please, it's very important. What I'm going to share in this video is going to help you to use the secret to penetrate the universe in bringing about desired result, in bringing about the result that you want. That's why I'm insisting, don't hurry, don't go forth and be using the secret to penetrate the universe without watching this video. It's very dangerous. Okay, why am I insisting that you have to watch this video? Please, we know what we are, we know our identity, we know where we are coming from, we know what we are constituted of. We are constituted mostly of the ego. Our soul, our subconscious is mostly made up of the ego. That one is the fact that is there. Unless you have been someone that has been working so hard to reprogram your mind, to heal your soul, to heal your subconscious. But if not, the truth is that about 80% of us is made up of the ego. About 80% of the world population is made up of the ego. Their subconscious, their real self is made up, is being led by the ego. That's why I'm insisting. Why? Because if you worry and going, although I'm insisting on this, you are going to communicate your desire, your intention through feelings to the universe. But there will still be about 95% or 80% so that will sabotage you, and you are going to see something else manifesting into your life. And that's why I'm really insisting that you don't need to hurry. Don't go forth and use the secret to penetrate the universe without watching this video. Now there's something you have to do. There's something you have to do before using the secret to penetrate the universe. And what is that thing? You have to reprogram your soul. You have to reprogram your subconscious mind. Yes. It takes about 21 days plus to reprogram your subconscious mind. 21 days if you are using audio tapes, meditative help audio programs. 21 days, that is sure and guaranteed. But if you are just meditating like that, it will take you 21 days plus, even more than 2 years. So it depends. That's why I'm really insisting. Don't. You need to reprogram your subconscious mind. Before using the secret to penetrate the universe, you need to make sure that you have no sabotaging program in you. You need to make sure they have no sabotaging program in you. Then that's only way when you will be able to use this program, the secret, and it's going to work effectively for you. Okay, I'm going to end here. I have not much to say, but I think I have said it, I have summarized it, and I have told you. I will not drag it long. Just make sure, go in, look a link, and download those audio tips that are going to help you in reprogramming your subconscious mind, and do that before you use the secret to penetrate the universe. That is the advice from the author or from the host of this channel, who I am, so that you will not attract the undesirable result in your life. Because the universe don't make, it's not something joking. It's not something joking. Maybe you have been communicating before, your evil intention to the universe not in the right way. Now that I've teach you the right way, don't go and communicate your evil. That's why you have not been able to manifest some evil and some destructive things. But now that I've teach you the right way to communicate, don't go and use the right way to communicate your evil intention to the universe. The results are going to be catastrophic. Better use the right way and communicate the good intention. It's better to use the wrong way to communicate the evil intention than using the right way to communicate the evil intention. I think I've said everything. I'm going to end here. If you're a wise man, woman, listen to my advice. Listen to my advice. If you are a wise person, listen to my advice. Don't worry. Take your time. It will take 21 days plus. It might take 30 days. It might take 2 years. It might take 3 years. But don't go and use the secret to penetrate the universe without doing what I have told you in this video. I'm serious about it. Okay, family, I'm going to leave you here. Please, if you are new in this channel, make sure you subscribe into this channel so I will be able to notify you with upcoming videos, and it will be easy for me to help you in raising your energy, raising your vibration, for you to manifest the life that you desire. Okay, please make sure you give a thumbnail, a like onto this video, and comment below so that I will know your areas of worries, and it will direct me to help you easily. Okay, I'm going to tell you, let the infinite spirit go along with you in your journey of raising your energy, raising your vibration.